Hi everyone, Leigh Goldstein here for this week's Trade of the Week at 10-Minute Trades. Let me show you a report that hasn't been working that worked well this past week. Many years ago, the bond auctions made money on a regular basis, and they made quite a bit of money. We used to call them ATM machines, or that's the legend anyway. I was told they were called the ATM machines. Over the years, their impact has lessened, and really we've been struggling to trade them and make good money. Look at the wonderful move that the 10-year auction had this week, though. We traded our bonds on the left, and we were trading ZB, the 30-year bond. It had a great move, went through our 6-tick target, and was a very profitable trade. And then our secondary setup, using the YM, also, if you watched the trade, and if you left your stop pretty much alone, the price action kept going down, and it would have hit both targets for a very profitable YM trade. So it is unusual, but we found and discovered, one of our members actually told us to check out the YM on the bond auctions. And we did that. We came up with a setup, and they've been very, very profitable to trade as of late on these auctions. But very recently, the bond auctions have started to perform poorly. And I've really been trying to even consider taking a break from trading them. And then, of course, we had a great profitable trade on the 10-year note. And folks, that's going to be our trade of the week because it was a surprise. We had a nice profit. If you had traded the YM as well, you could have had two setups that worked great. So we'll make the 10-year auction this week's trade of the week for everybody watching. Thanks so much for spending time with us. Check out this email for a link to become a pro member so you can learn to trade these reports the way that we do. Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. I can't wait to see what next week's trade of the week will be. Have a great weekend, everyone, and I'll see you in the trade room.